Hi friends, Manisha here, and welcome to E&T Recipes. Today I'll show you how to make soft, spongy, and porous dhokla, a classic Indian snack that's somehow sweet and tangy, also light, fluffy, and absolutely delicious. I'll walk you through all the tips and tricks, so make sure to watch till the end. No skipping, all right? Let's get started. To make the perfect dhokla, the ratio is key. We'll use a 1:2 ratio of water to fried chickpea flour, also known as besan. So here, I'm using 1 cup of liquid and 2 cups of besan to make batter. Now, the liquid. There are various methods. Today, I'm combining half a cup of thick yogurt with half a cup of water, mixing them well to form a buttermilk-like consistency. Make sure there are no lumps. A smooth mix is very important for a smooth batter. To this mixture, add 1.5 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and just a pinch of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of oil. Mix everything well until the sugar dissolves completely. Now, before adding the flour, be sure to sift it. I'm using 2 cups of chickpea flour, and sifting helps avoid any lumps later. Add the flour slowly and whisk gently in one direction only. If the batter feels a bit thick, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of water. Mix until it's smooth and lump-free. Cover this batter and let it rest for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, we'll make a chutney that pairs perfectly with dhokla. Let's prepare our green chutney. This chutney brings a burst of flavor and it's super versatile. In a hot pan, lightly roast 2 tablespoons of splitted-skinned chickpeas, or known as chana dal, for 2 minutes. Or you can use store-bought roasted splitted chickpeas. Add a handful of fresh cilantro, 7 to 8 garlic cloves, a few mint leaves, 2 to 4 green chilies, some curry leaves, half a teaspoon of salt, and a little grated ginger. Add 1 ice cube. This helps retain that vibrant green color. Then add 2 tablespoons of water and blend it all into a fine paste. Your chutney is ready. You can use it with dhokla, momos, or even as a sandwich spread. For extra flavor, mix in 1 tablespoon of chaat masala or dry mango powder and half a teaspoon of black salt. While our batter is resting, let's prep the steamer. I'm using a momo steamer, but any steamer or large pot works. Add water and bring it to a boil. Grease your dhokla tray with 1 tablespoon of oil, making sure it coats all sides evenly. After 10 minutes, our batter is ready. The texture should be smooth, not too thick, not too runny. Now, we'll add the leavening agents. Add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 packet of fruit salt, also known as ENO. Quickly add 1 to 2 teaspoons of water and mix gently. You'll see it turn fluffy and airy right away. Pour the batter into the greased tray without any delay. Spread it evenly. And place it into the steamer immediately. Cover and steam on medium heat for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, let's check. Insert a toothpick into the center. If it comes out clean, your dhokla is perfectly cooked. Or wait for a few more minutes. Take it out and let it cool completely before demolding. Don't try to cut or lift it while hot, it might break. Once cool, loosen the edges with a knife and gently unmold. Now for the final touch, the tempering. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil or butter in a pan. Add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, a few slit green chilies, curry leaves, and 2 cups of water. To this, add 3 tablespoons of sugar. Once the sugar dissolves, squeeze in the juice of 1 lemon. Turn off the heat and sprinkle in some fresh cilantro and mint leaves. Once your dhokla has cooled, pour this tempering evenly over it. Let it soak in. This is what makes it moist and flavorful. Look at that texture. Fluffy, airy, and full of flavor. And there you go, the sweet, sour, soft, spongy, porous dhokla with a tangy green chutney on the side. Do try this recipe at home and let me know how it turned out in the comments. Enjoy it with your friends and family, and I'll see you next time with another delicious recipe. If you liked it, don't forget to like and share. I post new tasty recipes twice a week, so please subscribe the channel. Thank you. Bye for now.